Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews, and I just got my UBeesize selfie stick tripod in stock. I just got it today. Here's what it looks like right here. UBeesize is what it looks like. It comes in a box like that. It extends to, I don't know, 51 inches tall it says, and so you can, it kind of says it's for heavy duty. So let's see what it looks like. Let's open it up, see what we got, and let's go from there. All right, so we're gonna open it up like this. This is my first time opening it, unboxing it, so it does come in this little case. So it comes in this case. That's pretty cool. It feels very velvety. I mean, it's, you know, whatever, but it still feels a little velvety, nice and soft, so I like it. You know, feels pretty cool. So we're gonna pull it out like this. And here's what it looks like. All right, so that's everything in the bag right there. So that's what it says. It says right there, UBeesize on the bag, so that's what it says. Here's the little remote that they give you. There's a little remote for Android and iOS. I don't know if there's batteries in it yet. Oh, there is a battery in it, which is great. And the battery does not come with any kind of protection not to use it. You know how you gotta usually peel the battery out in new toys or new electronics, and you gotta pull it out so it doesn't, you know, kill the battery. So that is not on here. So they don't have that. But it snaps right on. It looks pretty cool. And there's a little switch. I don't know what the switch is for yet. I didn't read anything, so that's what that looks like. We have the little instruction manual right here. Contact us, UBeesize. Here's what it looks like right there. We'll go close so you guys can see it right there. So that's what that looks like. That's all the instructions right there. So you can pause that and check that out. So that's what that looks like. I didn't get to read the instructions yet, so I don't know how to use it. But here's what it is. Here's another mount or bracket, it looks like. I guess could be for a GoPro or something, I'm not sure. But it looks like it's another mounting bracket or screw something in. And then let's open this up and see what it looks like. So here's what it looks like. It feels pretty sturdy, feels pretty heavy. Let's see how wide it opens. It opens up pretty wide. This is what it opens up to. Oh, you can open it up even wider. Really wide. Look how wide that opens up. So you can open that up pretty wide. If you could see that, do you see how wide that opens up? That opens up pretty wide. I have a measuring tape right here. So now you know how wide it opens. We're looking at 19 inches. So it's 19 inches from side to side. Okay? Yep, 19 inches of width you're looking at. So you need a triangle of 19 inches in order to put this somewhere. So here's the bracket. Let's see, can you see that in the camera? There we go. So here's the bracket right here. So this moves like this way. I guess this screws in. I'm not sure. Oh, here how it goes. Look. That's it. So it screws in and it opens up like this. And then it grabs onto the camera and it grabs onto your phone like this, and you screw it in on the bottom. So we'll see what that looks like in another second. So this moves left to right like this, which you can see. All you do is open up these and they go really high. So it's pretty cool. So it goes nice and high. It feels pretty sturdy. It feels pretty good. I like the way it feels. There's a locking mechanism here that you can lock it in as well. So that doesn't move. That's really cool. There we go. So there's another locking mechanism on the bottom, if you could see that, yes. So you could see that. There's another locking mechanism on the bottom, and that's how it goes. And this must be for the for my phone. So we'll get back to and we'll see what that looks like on the phone and see what that is going to be updated and see how that looks and the balance of it. All right? All right, thanks. All right, so this is what you can expect for it to look like with the iPhone attachment attached to it, or whatever Android, whatever phone you're going to use, the phone attachment to it. It clamps up and down like a normal, you know, a normal system would do, that it has a little clamp in it and it has a little crimp spring in it that springs it down, and it holds it by, you know, pressure. So it holds it on by pressure, and that's kind of what it looks like. And I like it. This is what it looks like right here. All right, that's kind of what it looks like. And like I said, you can lift it up, you flick these out real quick, and it goes up all different sizes. It goes out pretty tall. I like it. I have to say, I like how tall it goes. You can, you know, like I said, look, I'm going to put it down on the floor and look how tall it goes. So that's completely on the floor, and look how tall it is. So it's pretty much, you can, you know, eye level, and I'm about that height. So that's what it's going to look like. And so this is pretty much, like I said, how high you can expect it to look like next to me. I know I'm short. I'm only 5 foot, you know, 6, whatever, 5 foot, whatever, 7, 5 foot 6. Okay, 5 foot 7. It makes me sound good. But 5 foot 6. Okay, fine. But still, this is what it looks like. So okay. And that's it. That's a spring attachment. That's what you can expect to get from the UBeesize tripod holder that I bought, and it seems pretty sturdy. So just to show you, like, it seems pretty sturdy. See it? So, you know, I'm moving it, it's not moving, you know, so it seems pretty good. So all right, so that's it of a little review of the UBeesize. Thank you for watching Glenn Velvet Reviews. I am out. Have a good day. Enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel, check out other reviews and other stuff that I've been setting up, especially with my fish tank and all this other stuff that I've been doing. So check out my other videos on other reviews that I do. And any comments or questions, please post them down below. I would love to know. And that's it. Have a good one. Bye-bye, everybody.